Knowing the difference between the words divisors and multiples can make it so much easier when finding things like greatest common divisor or least common multiple, or anytime that these words come up. So I wanted to just look at the difference between the two words and give you some examples. So divisors, it's kind of what it sounds like. A divisor is a number that divides evenly into another. So there's many, many examples. Let me write down this definition for you. A number that divides evenly into a given number. So let's take a look at an example. Well, something small, 15 divided by 3 goes in evenly, evenly meaning no remainder. It goes in exactly 5 times. So I would say, something I could say is 3 is a divisor of 15. By the way, it's also true that 5 is the divisor of 15. So it just means it divides in evenly. Now, the second word on our list is multiple. Okay, so sometimes people use the word multiple to mean divisor or divisor to mean multiple. It can get very confusing, so we want to get these straight. A multiple should remind you of something that looks like multiplication, or think multiplication tables or multiplication. When you think about your multiplication tables, you're chanting off multiples is really what you do. So multiples, I think probably the best way for me to define this for you, I could certainly write out a definition, is to provide an example though. So here's an example. The multiples of 4 are, there you go, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. They go on forever. Can you kind of see what a multiple is? It's taking a number, whatever the number it is you're looking at, and it's just thinking about its times tables or counting by, you're basically counting by 4s. If I ask for the multiples of 12, then I can find those or chant those off easily if I've memorized my 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. And that is the difference between a divisor and a multiple.